the fact that if I put this plate down and start to talk to you, I will lose the race against time. I'm followed by over 20 million people the world over. A hell lot here constant. So kumele ngenze sure ukuthi I've got enough time for my people. When I receive money, we are done. There are people abenza kanjani. Mawusumfonela okwespeed. Kungathi uyamhlupha. Akasakhuthala njengoba lesikade uzomqhubela imali. One, I am not sent on earth as a saint or a spiritual person to collect money or to being here serve for the purpose of ambushing money. You guys pay me money as a necessity and a need for a living. But what comes first is my calling. I've got to make sure that as you come here, whatever reason brings you here, must be a mission accomplished. Your problems has to be solved. I'm not a God, but I one day wake up in the morning tempted to believe I am near a God of some things I do. God created a person and gave a life, so I hear and read. He gave a life. I can give a life, I can take a life, so I am near a God. We are the gods. God said to us, like Father, like sons. When you read the Bible, I worship God outside the Bible. Some things I read in the Bible create good characters and good citizenship, but some are a total creep that will make you numb, that will make you reason less. Religion sometimes tackles knowledge, because it will want you to compensate every logic stuff for its unlogicness sometimes. Where knowledge ends, religion begins. I don't do religion. I do spirituality, customs and traditions. Religion will ask you to sacrifice everything for that which you are not sure of. Come to a situation when you have problems and the problems are not coming okay, and we have now referred everything to God and the pastors, the priest, and a guy like me, and things are not coming okay. You go and make a report or update of your situation. You are always the one to blame. All the blames are shifted to you. You are summoned. You don't pray. Pray harder. They've got rough voices. I don't know whether they eat sense of disease or whatever. But they are wrestlers. I've read all wrestlers on television. They talk with rough voices. You don't pray. You must fast. Just subdue food for a certain time window. Pray. You go fast. You go back. My things are going well, so I was fasting. You appointed a figure. You were praying in the house. You need to fast and go to the mountain, like the old prophets. You go to the mountain there. You pray. When you come there, Father, things are not going. You say, you are praying less. You need to pray really hard. When you go back to the mountain there, you won't be praying, my brother, my sister. You won't be praying. You'll be shouting, "Oh, our Father, my brother!" and your voice is gone, you go back to your pastor and bishop. Hey, pastor, the voice is gone. You were shouting, I think I've got rest, I prayed. I said, no, you're summoned again. You don't have faith. You were not praying with faith. You need to pray. What is faith? Because what made me actually leave my home premises and go to that mountain and pray and lose my voice is that faith. Okay? So I always say, we don't have to be tricky when it comes to this thing, handling people. When it comes to be a figure, a spiritual figure like me, you have to know that you are not a God. You are not going to get everything right like a God. But you need to formulate, have many formulas that if this one fails, you go to the other one. But in this spiritual thing, people think they don't have to fail. Even God himself fails us in a lot of things every day. So who are you not to fail? But now, the formulas and the systems you are using towards whatever, if you use them without analysis to avoid paralysis, you will fail. Even in the boxing managers, the trainers, they will look for the videos of the other fighter to see how if he fights, analyze his tactics in order to bring about theirs that will outsmart the fighter. You are here, guys, because we have problems.
Of course.
I'm full with money there. You are here because you have problems. So with that, I need to make sure I respect that you chose me as the person to solve those problems. Are you guys there with me?
Yeah.
I talk with you eating, for I don't have a choice. If I'll just make my time to eat, I won't win the race against time, so many of you. I'm pretty sure you are not taking their faces.
Yeah, not.
Good boy. Each and every time and minute that ticks in your life, meaning each and every day of your life, is a struggle. Life on its own is a struggle. Life is a struggle when you are suffering, you are having these problems that we have brought here to me. Life is also a struggle when you have wealth and everything. Just to maintain it is a struggle. So we must know that we have to be always prepared to fight our struggles in triumphant, to win them. Are you guys there with me? One other thing, I grew up reading the Bible, you know, at school, the way this thing was actually put on us. I have nothing against the Bible. The Bible creates good characters and good citizens. If it wasn't for the Bible, people would push at each other and people would do unlawful stuff. And Thomas, are you guys there with me? So now, I'm not going to take too much of your time, but this is a preamble when people actually come here.